For Meta, there's a new boss in town. NVIDIA's value went up 277 billion US dollars in just one day. I'm Kalilah, Reynolds, financial journalist and educator. So, NVIDIA Corp made history recently when the stock price jumped 16% in one day, adding 277 billion US dollars to the company's value. That's the largest single-day gain in US market history. Ironically, Meta, Facebook's parent company, had just set the record like 3 weeks ago, but NVIDIA has been on a massive growth drive, so it's no wonder they beat out Meta. NVIDIA is a US-based software manufacturer that specializes in chips, and not the kind that you eat. Chips are those tiny little circuit boards that are used to power almost everything: your phone, your laptop, electric cars, etc. NVIDIA is one of the companies that makes those chips, and even though it might seem like they just exploded out of nowhere, they've been around for quite a while. The company was founded in 1993 and listed on the NASDAQ in 1999. But the stock and the company really got popping a few years ago when artificial intelligence development started taking off. I actually first heard about this company about a year ago on Taking Stock from one of our analysts, Julian Morrison. Shout out to Julian for the tip. Now, in addition to setting a new record for the largest single-day market gain, NVIDIA also overtook Google's parent company Alphabet as the third largest company in the US by market cap. The company briefly hit the $2 trillion valuation mark in the third week of February. And that's crazy when you consider it took them 24 years to hit the $1 trillion mark, but less than 1 year to hit $2 trillion. Like I said earlier, NVIDIA has really taken off in the last couple of years thanks to the AI revolution. In the last year alone, NVIDIA's stock price has more than tripled because of the demand for advanced semiconductor chips, which are their specialty. I mean, just look at this chart. 5 years ago, the stock was trading at $39. Just 12 months ago, it was $235. And now the stock closed on February 23 at $788. That means that if you bought this stock last year, you would have quadrupled your gains. $1,000 would have turned into $4,000. Not to mention, if you got in 5 years ago, that's an almost 2,000% gain. $1,000 in NVIDIA in 2019 would be over $20,000 today. And the AI revolution doesn't seem to be slowing down, so this could be just the start for NVIDIA. And that's the bottom line. FYI, this information is for educational purposes only and is not to be considered investment advice. Please consult your licensed financial advisor on any investment decisions. If you want to learn how to invest in companies like NVIDIA, click the link up here or in the description. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.